Hello po! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video is all about February. Ano kaya mayayari subscribe na to YouTube channel at gusto mag-like, shares, comments, at view at buti na 500 support natin sa ating social media ka. Ang ating this week's vlog, 307, episode 307 title, Pep-ibig na. Here's your vlog! Okay, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Simulan na ang February or Peg-ibig na sa TV. Ito na, sa TV muna tayo. Sa TV, nagsimula na ang bagong season ng Maka, starring Zephanie, Marco Massa, Ashley Sarmiento, John Clifford, Olive May, Shanti, Sean Luca, and newest member of Maka's like Elijah Alejo, Josh Ford, and Bruce Eusebio. But unfortunately, wala na si Dylan Menor kasi TV5 na po siya. Kasi meron na siya sa Cornerstone at sa MQuest. That the new season that Libby is now a kontrabida. Naiwan sa ere, naiwan yung friends mo, yan. Ano na, mga bagong friends na kontrabida, the rivals. Ito naman si Zeph Molina, ay magaling singer at syempre, nagsimula na ang school year with a new school which is MacArthur High. Maka, watch na kayo every Saturday sa TV. Now, let's go to mga TV shows na beauty queens na ito. Si Icy Guerra, Little Miss Philippines na, 1987, fourth runner-up. At meron si City Navarro, si Miss Visayas, at si first runner-up pa. And of course, si Arboni Gabriel, Miss Universe 2022. Kaya lang, nag-separate. Unfortunately, nag-separate. Si Ice, si City, nag-perform with other sessionistas, while Arboni is one of the judge in Mr. 2025 Grand Finals. And si Icy Guerra din sa ating E-Best Scholar with Dapper Cats Karen Einstrom. Unfortunately, hindi pa nakapag-picture for the twice na hindi mo nakapicture sila Icy Guerra at Arboni Gabriel. Naku po, mga beauty queens kasi pareho sila beauty queens noon at ngayon. But congratulations pa rin sa concert ni Icy Guerra and other sessionistas this Saturday, February 8 at the Soler, Parañaque. Good luck! Thank you so much. At sa ating mga announcement, for the movies, we have Excess Lovers, Marvin and Junina na yung February 12 in cinemas. At sa music, will be announced kung anong bagong new music for month of February. And of course, maraming salamat and hopefully, mapapanood sa mga stream platforms, sa TV, movies, and music. Abangan yan this coming Pep-ibig. Salamat po sa ating latest vlog bukas at bukas. See you next time na lang. See you next week. Bye. God bless all the Gabby's Vlog. Bye.